Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Luna Classic update today. Now Luna Classic has been quite impressive for the past few days. I think past 3 weeks has actually been incredibly nice for anyone who is trading Luna Classic, and let's talk about it a little bit because it's been a while. And right now we're just trying to make maybe probably some rounded bottom, as you can see right over here. And eventually the plan is, if this rounded bottom is going to play out, is to just break above and actually move up probably to the closest first target of 13,000, and you're sitting at 8,981. So eventually we want to see this thing actually push up, break up, and then actually try to go back all the way to the upside, back into the daily. And I actually want to check in on the daily time frame right over here, and we can do something like this. And let's actually take in a curve. I'm just gonna scroll down. I don't know, I always have a hard time to take a curve, but today I actually found it. So here it is, right? So you take boom, and let's actually do something like this. Okay, so yeah, that's going to look pretty close, I guess. And the curve is going to be something like that, is actually more better. So you can see that it's just going all the way to the downside and curving all the way back to the upside. Now basically these are good signs because they actually represent some reversal pattern, and I think that anytime soon we actually might start to go back up again. But one problem that I do find is that the weekly time frame is a problem. You see the weekly showing that you almost have a bearish candle here on the weekly, and even worse is that Luna Classic is still under the resistance. Okay, I'm just going to remove the curve for now. So the problem here is that you failed to break up, and again you try to break, you made a bullish closing. Unfortunately, the retest down is really bad. In the next 12 hours or in the next 13 hours, by the time you open up the new weekly candle, you start Monday, what I want to see is Luna Classic literally just pushing back up here, okay, which is going to be nearly 10,000 or 11,000 according to the script. You're really meant to do so, because you do have, by the end of the day, you still have a big falling wedge here. But if you do end up having one little bit of a drop and then eventually go back up again, that can actually happen. Now I will say, if the drop does happen, maybe that could be another good trading opportunity. I will definitely try to trade it, because I don't think I'm going to trade something that is really failing to cross above that resistance. Now as long as you don't fail to do so, maybe take a trade. But if you're failing to do so, sit back and maybe observe. That's all I can say, until we don't find something that is more safe, because this doesn't look safe at all, unless I'm not proven wrong. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.